day 26, and I thought I would show you something really cool, which I didn't used to do when I was a night bird, a night owl I mean. And it's that when you come out early, you get to see nature waking up, and I love this. So let me just show you. There is a whole group of seagulls just hanging out behind me. Just hanging out, checking out the sea, without a care in the world. It's actually about 8:30. The sun's come up already, but it's still, still in the process. And I just noticed that when I go for a walk at this time, you can feel everything coming alive, and that's actually what I wanted to experience more of when I decided to become an early bird instead of a night owl, because obviously the night is a bit more flat from that sense. I think nature's asleep. So I just really loved these seagulls here, because it's quite rare to see that many all just chilling out. I'll just have a look. Oh, guess who? Where is he going? There you can see his tail. There's actually one other person on the beach, but otherwise we've got the whole beach to ourselves. So that's one of the things I'm loving about getting up early. Thank you for watching. Have a good day today. And do you go for walks, or do you do some other kind of exercise or movement? Let me know in the comments.